Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi class. Today I like to present about English workshop for postgraduate students through English literature. So let's start my presentations with our second book. Okay, my name is Aiziah Ayu Pratami of Science and Mathematics from Institutional School November. Today I would like to share about my experience. Well, I kept on English workshop for postgraduate with virtual English language fellow with Mrs. Sarah Ford. So today I would like to share about my experience on this workshop, and then my new insight, impressions, and also my impact and suggestion for the next of workshop on English postgraduate workshop. So the first one, I learned about the topic one. It is about the reflections on my English proficiency and critical research for improvement. There are two things important of this lesson. The first one is recap a vocabulary notebook, assessing my English proficiency with online level test, and then we do grammar support work, and Miss Sarah give us an homework about the grammar. It is about the noun phrase, models of possibility, and models of needs. And the next part is topic 2. In this topic, we learn about the vocabulary for research and study. This is a new thing that I got from this workshop. It's about the type of research paper, and we are discussing a small group, and then we discuss about the bibliography. And our lecturer gave us homework about the reporting verbs and verbs of discovery. Then here is the topic 3 of this lesson, about the academic reading and comprehensions. This is about the quick. There are two things the important of this lesson: quick reading about the surveying, text value, skimming, and scanning, or searching for specific info, and then the careful reading. For the topic 4, we learn about the writing skill for research. I'm sorry, there is a typo here. So this is the important things that I got from this lesson. We learn about the coherence. Coherence is a connection of ideas at an idea level, and cohesion, it is a connection of ideas at the sentence level. There is a punctuations. There are comma, semicolon, and period. We learn about the difference we use on the text when we use a comma or semicolon and period. So the next topic is about the conversation skill to communicate with supervisor and our peers. In this lesson, we learn about the how to communicate with our supervisor. What is the tips and trick, and we, and our lecturer give us homework, the transitions and position of the transition. So the last topic on this workshop is about the presentation skill. There are four important things that we must remember. The first one is introduction, and then the developing. The developing is commenting about the on data. Maybe for an example, there are a table or figure on your presentations, and then next, the important things of presentation skills, how to closing your presentation and handling, for the last, how to handling your questions. So yours is quotes. There is no elevator to success, so you have to take this step. So thank you for your amazing experience. So on my suggestion, I see this workshop made me improving my English skills on my suggestion. I hope there are open more workshop English again with a different topic. So I will say thank you very much for Mrs. for our lecturer and also for international office. And see you. Bye bye.